Hey guys, it's Jonathan with Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 2015 BMW M3. It has tasteful modifications, an MHD tune, and downpipes. This is going to be the first time I'm actually driving this vehicle, so I'm going to give you a true test drive. Be sure to like and subscribe below so we can give you more content just like this. Back to this specific vehicle, extremely clean. It has a carbon package on the roof. Interior is red and black. Your front end has an additional carbon fiber upgrade right here. Looks like they stick these on. I do see some minor imperfections. Right here, a small stress fracture and some rock chips. It does have around 40,000 miles. The lights are pretty neat, so when you start it up, there's a nice LED light strip that goes through here, along with the halos. I like how they blacked out everything on this specific car, along with the wheels, the grille, and then the inner light inserts. Roof is carbon fiber, and it shows really well. I'd rate this paint easily an 8 out of 10, just minor imperfections. It's the first time I've actually driven one of these, and I like that it's a 6-speed manual, so you're gonna actually get a real-world taste. I know that there's a lot of people out there that can't go for test drives right now because of what's going on, and I hope I can help you out with the decision-making process on this specific unit. The steering wheel is in really nice shape, and you do have the M3-inspired colors throughout the steering wheel. It's all sewn in. You do have heated and cooled seats, and you do have nice bolsters. Rear seat's very comfortable. So I'm 6 feet, and I can sit in there comfortably with no issues. You do have a really nice stereo, and you have some controls here for lights, but I mean, there's plenty of room, and that seat's set up for me right now. Rear is extremely clean. Another carbon fiber trim piece on the trunk. Let's open this up. There we go. Nice and clean. You got your pump here because it doesn't have a spare tire. Then your tools are in here. You have a backup camera as well, which is nice. I mean, pretty much every modern car has that. In the exhaust, it sounds unbelievable. Tires are brand new. They were put on about 3,000 miles ago, and they have plenty of tread. Gas cap is nice. Minor paint imperfection right here. That's all I can really find on the whole car, other than the front bumper. Passenger side is very inviting. Let me go ahead and start it up right now. So there's several modes. This MHD tune is controllable with your cell phone. So they send you the programming, and then you can adjust it, sort of like a Cobb access port, but you have to have your own device. Get in there, the start button right here, clutch in. Sounds really good. You got your navigational display. It also has your radio display here. Steering wheel's in nice shape. I like how it feels. No sunroof. I hate sunroofs in sports cars. Just a nice piece. You got your door mechanism here. And then so let's go to Sport Plus. Oh, you hear the turbos? Let's go. All right, we're inside the cabin right now. I'm 200 pounds. The seat is very comfortable for me. I don't feel like I'm confined. You do have foldable mirrors. That's nice. Power windows throughout. You have a child lock, automatic lights, lane assist. You have all of your controls here for cruise control, and then your modes for your radio. Here's your radio right here. It's a Harman Kardon, I believe. I probably said that wrong, I'm sorry. There's your unlock button. 6-speed manual, and then these are all your controls for your steering responsiveness, and then your sport or economy mode or Sport Plus. You have a little cigarette charger or just a plug-in for a Valentine 1, which is what you should get for sure with this car. You do have carbon fiber throughout and red stitching throughout. The only thing that's different in regards to stitching is the M3 steering wheel because it's going after the signature badging colors. Climate control is working great, and it's about 90 degrees here, and I feel very comfortable. You do have a USB charging port in your auxiliary down here. Emergency brake is easy to get to. You push this button right here, and you've got 2 cameras on both sides coming from your side mirrors. That's pretty helpful. Put the emergency brake down, put it in first. Clutch engages really nicely, like right at the halfway point. What we'll do is we're gonna jump on the highway first. We'll head towards Griffin, and then we'll take it out for some curves so you can see how it performs. I've never driven this car before, so it's gonna be pretty neat to get the first time experience. Also in there you have all your owner's manuals, and then the original booklet with the M insignia. That's nice. All right, clutch feels good. The exhaust sounds really nice. It's got like a little rumble in the back. Let me see, I'll give it a little bit. That sounds like an AK-47. Is there a way to, let's see, this is in, right now we're in Sport Plus. So let's put it in Sport and see if there's a difference. It auto blips for you as well, that's nice. You ready? It feels like it has close to 500 horsepower for sure. That's impressive. And there's the sound again. That was easily to a law-abiding 60 miles per hour. We're gonna get off on Griffin Road and we'll head back west on 84 to test out the curves. I'd love to see how this feels. Oh, it's so smooth on the highway. This isn't every day. You could drive this thing every day. Going over bumps, the suspension takes it easily. Let's see. It auto blips. I don't even have to do it. It's so great. Look. You can give it a little bit of gas. Brakes are even, so it has 4 pistons in the front. I love this thing. I just don't like the popping that much, but it you know, it's race car inspired. Let's put it in efficient and see if that changes the mode. It rides really nice. No pulsation from the brakes. It's like a little rocket ship. Oh my gosh. And the best part is, while I'm accelerating, the traction light is flashing. And that was at 60 miles an hour with brand new tires. So watch. I go to second. It brings it to the exactly, like the perfect rev, so you don't feel anything. I'll show you again. Oh my God. So easy, it's not fair. Much better note from the exhaust and economy. Clutch is so easy too. It's not heavy. All right, let's get on to 84 and then we'll head back to the office. So far, I'm loving it. The cabin doesn't have any sounds. Over bumps, you don't hear any rattling. It's nice. Oh my God, it's so smooth. So 6th gear at 60, you're right at 2,000 RPMs, but I mean the red line's 70, it looks like 7,700 or 7,500. I wonder what the fuel economy is. Who's gonna buy this for fuel economy? Come on, give me a break. Brakes feel good. Nice little curve right here. Feels good. I mean, you'd have to be on a racetrack to really push this car because it has such capability. We'll turn around, we'll do the figure 8, and we're back to the office. I don't feel any hesitation with the clutch. It doesn't slip. The ABS is working as it should. The gas gauge is working as it should. It's sucking all the gas up. It's comfortable. It's a good car. So whoever's looking at it should buy it. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 954-363-2261. We do shipping worldwide, and just call us for a port of entry or for a zip code for the United States. Such a smooth delivery of power. You don't really feel the turbos kick in. So we're gonna go east on 84. It's like a machine gun. All right, we'll get into this corner here. Nice and smooth. Feels really good. Braking. And we'll downshift. This thing is a monster. If you guys have any questions about it, give us a call, 954-363-2261.